Hello children, this is Teacher Violet, the grade 1 teacher, and it is time for mathematics. Okay, now before I introduce the new lesson, I want us to remember what we learned last week in mathematics. Okay, last week in mathematics, we were subtracting. So today, we are not going to subtract, but we are going to add. And remember, adding is the opposite of subtraction. Adding is the opposite of subtraction. Now, today we are going to add the number bonds to 8 and 9. Adding number bonds to 8 and 9. Okay, so this is the sign for addition. I've written it here. This is the sign for addition. Okay, now to add means to do what? If really adding is the opposite of subtracting, what does the word add means? Okay, so to add simply means the total number, to put more, or to gather. Okay? Adding simply means to put more, the total number, or to gather. Okay, now we are going to do two examples using two different methods. Okay, so the first example is 7 plus 1. Okay. With me here, I've already drawn the number line, and this number line is going to help us find the answer for this example. Okay, so now, remember last week we also used the number line, and we are also again going to use the same number line, but it's the opposite. Okay, so now, if you are given a question like this one, and you are told to use the number line. Okay, so first of all, you stand at 0. Okay, so now, for you not to get confused, you first of all look at the bigger number. Okay, so in this case, the bigger number in this case is 7. So, we are going to stand at number 7 here. Now, remember we are adding, meaning we are moving forward. We are not going backwards on the left side, but we are moving forward. Okay, in the right direction. So now, since we are already here at number 7, we are told to add 7 plus 1. So we are going to move one step forward, or going in the right direction. So in this case, we are going to make one hoop. Okay? 1. Okay. Now, where you land, that is the answer. So in this case, we moved one hoop from 7 going forward, and we landed at number 8. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is the way you use the number line. Okay? The other question is 8 plus 1. Okay. This is the last example. So, in this case, we are not going to use the number line, but we will just use our fingers. Now, do like this. Okay? So now, first of all, you look at the bigger number. And in this case, 8 is the bigger number that we are having. Okay, so we are going to count 8 fingers. Do like this. Okay, we are going to start with the fingers on the right hand side. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so these fingers all together, they are 8. Now, remember we are adding 8 plus 1. Now, how many fingers are we going to include on these 8 fingers? 1 finger. Okay, so you unfold the fourth finger. Okay, now how many together? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 is the answer. So 8 plus 1, the answer is 9. Okay, remember, adding simply means to put more, the total number, or to gather. And this is the sign for addition. We are going to write an exercise. You are going to use any of the methods that I've showed you to answer those questions. This was Violet Munsanje. It's bye-bye.